Completing your work in HYSYS does not mean that you are perfect. You should have some analysis on the results after your effort. In this section, we'll analyze the results that we got by using the stream property view. And additionally, we'll touch some specific points of the customizing the workbook. Let's start with the stream property view. Within Aspen HYSYS, it is possible to view the properties of individual phases for any stream. I'm going to do that now. Open the stream property view for gas well 3 by double-clicking on that in Process Flow Diagram. And view the condition page. Add temperature and pressure values of 20 degrees and 5000 kilopascal. Move the mouse arrow to the left or right side of the view until the different phases are shown. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag the edge of the view until all the phases are shown in the worksheet. Go to the Properties page. This page contains more detailed information about the stream. Have a look on what you need in this worksheet. Perfect. If you are done with your job, close the worksheet for gas well 3. Aspen HYSYS allows you to customize the workbook at several different levels. You can add additional pages, change the variables that are displayed in the current pages, or change the format of the values. Right now, a new workbook tab containing stream properties of CPCV, heat of vaporization, and molar enthalpy are going to be added. Let's do this. Open the workbook by clicking on the workbook icon on the toolbar. See Set Up View for the workbook and click on that. Under the Workbook tabs group, click the Add button. Then the view called New Object Type displays. Select Stream and click OK. A new Workbook tab called Streams will be listed in the Workbook tab group. Ensure that this new tab is highlighted. Highlight the name cell and change the name to Other Properties. Well, in the Variables group, click the Delete button until all the default variables are removed. Nice. Now click the Add button to add a new variables to the tab. Then, from the Variables list, select CPCV property and click OK. Do the same thing for mass heat of vaporization and molar enthalpy. Then exit the view when you are done to return to the workbook. The workbook now contains the Other Properties tab, which shows the values of CPCV, mass heat of vaporization, and molar enthalpy. Now, the workbook is under your hands, so you can play with your workbook by customizing it for your needs. So go around HYSYS because you will need it too much. See you in the next video.